Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how we are going to upload the images to the AWS S3 bucket. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to install the packages, that is AWS SDK, Express and the Malta. Okay, Express, Malta and AWS SDK client S3. So we are going to use some of the functions, that is put object command, delete object, list objects. Okay, so currently I'm going to use the upload and delete, right? So we have to create a S3 client where we require the region, credentials, access key ID, secret access key. So this I have already uploaded the video for regarding the access key ID and the secret access key, how we are going to get this. Okay, region you will get it from here. So this is this one, and here you have to just copy and paste this one into your respective env file. Okay, next we have to set up a multer in the memory storage, because whenever we do the upload I always use the multer. So in the memory storage we will store that one. After that we will upload that into the S3 bucket. Okay, so this is the function for uploading the images to the S3 bucket. So we require the key, then we have the command, that is put object command, which require the bucket, key, body, content in ASL public read, basically used for the public access. If you want to make it publicly read, then pass this one, and according to it you have to do the settings into your bucket. Okay, which I already talked about in the last video. Okay, here you can see that S3 client dot send will help you to push your images to the S3 bucket, and we are going to return that public URL. Okay, next the endpoint for the image upload. So upload dot single, this is a multi syntax. Okay, image, and if there is a no file, then no file is uploaded, and if the file is uploaded, then the message would be image uploaded successfully and the image URL you get. So here we are calling the function with the file name. Okay, let's take a look and try that one. So I'm going to make a post request, and here we have to go with the uploads, and we require the image, and the image I need to select. So image I need to select, I'm going to send this image. There is the issue, it is upload or uploads, it is upload. Okay, so let's upload this image. So successfully uploaded, and you will get this image URL. If I just follow this link, the image is here. You can see that we get the image, and the image is uploaded here. Just reload this one, we'll get the image. Okay, so the image is uploaded, right? So here we have the images. Okay, so this is how you are able to upload the images, PDF doc, anything to your AWS SD bucket. Now I want to delete that S3 image. So because somehow there is a functionality in your code, like you upload the images and somehow you have to delete that image also. So in that case you can use it function for the delete one. So delete command, you have to pass the S3 bucket name and the key. And what's the key? Key is the file name. Okay, so this is the file name we have to send. Okay, so endpoint, that is delete key, and make sure for the full key you have to mention the folder, which folder you want to delete that key, because in the delete I'm asking for the key only, not the upload folder we have attached. Okay, so decode that the URI, because somehow we have the spaces or something, so then you have to decode that one. And deleting then you are going to call this function, and the full key you have to add, then file delete successfully. If something goes wrong, it will go with the catch block. Okay, let's take a look, and this is our key. So I'm going to copy this key, copy this, and let's go to the delete object. So change to the delete, and here I'm going to add this one. I'm going to delete this. Oops, what happened? Oh, here we are not mentioning the function, sorry, endpoint name. Okay, so endpoint deleted. Let's reload this, and there is a no file. Okay, so see, we have successfully delete the file and upload the image. Okay, hope you are clear on this. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.